Hey friends, I'm Jennifer with Bluebell Charm. Welcome to St. Mary's, Georgia. Come along with me as we visit this charming coastal town, ride a vintage train, and visit some antique stores. St. Mary's is a cute little coastal town in South Georgia. As soon as we arrived and I saw this beautiful old church, I couldn't wait to go exploring. So off we went under the shady oak trees. I just love to stroll through old southern neighborhoods and look at the pretty homes, flowers, and trees, and get inspiration for my own garden and home. If you're enjoying the video, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up. Your support truly does mean the world to me. St. Mary's is a 2-hour drive from Savannah. The purpose of our trip on this beautiful Saturday was to take a vintage train ride to celebrate my son Jack's 15th birthday. We only had 2 short hours to explore St. Mary's before it was time to check in for our vintage train ride, so we strolled around downtown looking at the beautiful old homes, the waterfront, and the St. Mary's River. Of course I had to check out the antique stores while I was there, and I was so happy to see this John Wayne clock. It reminded me of my grandpa and how he loved to watch westerns when I was growing up. Stay till the end to see what I bought at the antique store. As soon as we boarded the train, it started to rain, but I didn't mind. It made it feel so cozy. St. Mary's Railroad has several themed train rides that you can choose from. We chose the Pizza Express, and we ate dinner together as we enjoyed our train ride through St. Mary's. Some of the other themed train rides include Great Gatsby Getaway, the Murder Mystery Express, the Wild West Train, and the Wine Special, and I'll leave a link to the website below. We rode in the dinner car that was named Silver Tureen. It was built in 1955, and I was definitely getting some vintage vibes. My one purchase from the antique store was this cute little jadeite chicken. I just couldn't resist, and she looked so sweet and cute, and I thought she would make a wonderful addition to my jadeite collection.